I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can customize home screen on iOS 18. Just go ahead and open your home screen, and after you're here, just go ahead and long press any of the apps, and after you long press it this way, you would notice that there's an edit option right at the top left corner. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you have even more options like add widget, customize, and edit pages. So if you want to customize by adding widget, you can also do that. Just go ahead and tap here and select any of the widgets that you would like in your home screen. Or you could just tap on customize, and now you would see options like small, large, light, dark, automatic, tinted. So in order to use tinted, just select any of the color that you would like your home screen to have. So let's say you want blue, and you can just use the second bar to control the intensity of the color blue. So you could go from really dark to really light. So it's all your choice. You can also select automatic, and there's also the option of dark and light. If you want an easier way, then there's also the option right here. Just go ahead and select this. So this is also the same as light and dark option right here. If you want to enlarge your apps and widgets, then just go ahead and tap on large, and you would see that the apps and widgets have been enlarged. So in these ways, you can customize your home screen on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.